Hello YouTube, this is Doc from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a quick small little haul from Tuesday morning. So, they've had these a couple times before and I didn't get it at Tuesday morning. This is the James Davenport bag set, and I'm just in the middle of organizing, just reorganizing some of my craft supplies and purging and stuff like that. But I thought this would be nice because it has multiple bags just to store stuff in. You know, sometimes stuff don't just fit. But one, you have this bag, and then you have like a pencil bag, this size, and this size. So you can just store different stuff, which is why I'm going to use this mainly for mixed media stuff. And boom. So I thought it was just perfect to have, and I can quickly grab it. And it's cute. Just got some little doilies they had for $1.49, Recollection brand, haha, $1.49. I did get this stamp set, because I don't think I have this one. It goes with the, I use this with the jelly bean set, and this goes with that, even though it's not jelly bean, but it looks like it fit mighty darn well in there. And this, it says handmade with love, handmade just for you, 100% handmade. And don't even think about throwing this away. Made with blood, sweat, and tears. Made with hearts, made with joy. And then I got the, which I think I already have some of these anyway. I already have some tags, but I think I have a different, I think I got the base ones. I think I got the hearts and the flower ones. But these are just some of the heart sets, the shaker ones. And I end up picking up the Barberton Daisy. I'm still looking for the stamp sets to go with that. That's the companion die. Or the paper, but I prefer the stamp set. I mean, you can download the paper, but I may have to do that, but we'll see. And then last but not least, I did get this Vicky Booten with $10. It was the texture paste set. Didn't necessarily need more texture paste, but you know, the colors were so vibrant. One of the things I find when I mix my colors with my texture paste, and of course maybe because I'm using inexpensive paint, the colors get muted, very muted. They're not vibrant, but I got this because they were very vibrant. So it's a 6-piece set. It's $10, so basically $1 some coins for each one. I mean 7-piece set, excuse me, because they have a palette with it with 6 different paint colors, but they're very vibrant colors. So typically you don't get that with the texture paste, so I thought it would be nice just to have that in the collection. So those are the colors. And that is my little quick tiny haul from TM. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribe. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.